Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. This leader sport bike has 19,300 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Front tire on this bike's in good shape. It's got some miles left on it. They've added signal mirrors, carbon fiber wrapped signal mirrors here. This bike has had a minor tip over on the right hand side. As you can see there on the engine cover, we've got some scraping. A little bit here on the end of the lever. So both bar ends are off. Don't know if they were taken off by the owner or fell off. This one fell off, took the other one off, but no bar ends at the moment. Comes with a Two Brothers pipe and a tank pad. Rear tire on it's in good shape. There's some good life left in that. And again, our tank pad. Missing bar end. And the mirrors. The last accessory they've added to it is a media mount here. Right. 19,257 is what's on it. This 2008 Honda CBR1000RR will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.